So hi everyone, and I'm Slesha back here on my channel, and today I'm going to tell you that how can you host your website using GitHub Pages. So here I have signed into GitHub on my web browser, so you can also do the same. First of all, sign into GitHub. Then first of all, you should have a repository, so that you can host it. So you can give any. I have first clicked on new. I'm creating a whole new repository. Then I'll give any name. For now I'm giving the name as demo project, and you can follow up the same steps. If you already have the repository, then you can skip this part as well. Okay, so I have given the name. I'm keeping it public only, and then I have created the repo. Now I'll be uploading a file to it, so that my index.html and all the css and all the other files, so that we can host them. So I am taking this code art index.html file over here, and so it has been added. We can commit the changes, like I can write here initial commit. Okay, let's do it as first commit, and then we can commit all the changes. Then as the file gets processed, what you need to do is, like, now you have your repository in which you have your file, and always remember that the name of the html file should be index.html, because that is what GitHub will be looking for. That it needs to host. It will be hosting the index.html file, and all your css and javascript file must be linked to it, connected to it. Okay, then you have your repository here. Then you will go to settings. In the settings, you will go to pages. In the pages here, GitHub pages, it is from here you will be hosting your website. Here select that you have to host it from the main branch. Then you click on save. Then it says that your site is ready to be published at this URL. Then you need to refresh it. Yeah, so it took some time, it took some errors, by the way, but yeah, finally it is hosted. It takes some time for the file to load. So if you are getting the same error, I would recommend you to wait for some time. And if then also it is showing the same error, then what you need to do is you need to change the name of your file to index.html. And then also, if you're facing the same error, then you feel free to ask in the comment section to me, or you can ask me in the DM as well. So like, finally the website has been hosted, and now you can paste this URL and share it with anybody, and anybody can see it. I'll be pasting this URL in the description also, so that you can also check that yeah, it's actually working. And yeah, so the website is finally hosted, and that's all for today, and thanks a lot for watching.